Hello. So today I'm going to show you how we can keep the same height when we resize the window. For example, if I resize the window, the height will be same as the this one. Okay. So let me show you how I did this. So we need to first of all I need to inspect and show how I have done this. So we need to add two same classes. As you can see, the same height container menu, and I also take a same height same class for this. I don't know, you can see my screen. I have inspected the window. I have taken for this section or element, the featured image, product image. So I have added a same class. So we have this class name, and here we need to add a JavaScript. So it will resize the window. It will event listener. I have added a event listener, and just we need to use this class. Okay, so if you see the I am not sure you can see my inspect window. So when I resize the window, let me resize. You see, it's changing the height. Okay, so I will share the code with you. Thanks for watching.